Howdy Rick, this is the 2019 Mirada at Camperland. Outdoor entertainment, 5500 ONAN gas generator, 22.5-inch wheels and tires, Alcoa aluminum wheels, just like a diesel. I don't know if you can see that very well. Pass-through storage compartment. Beautiful full body paint. Black and silver, dark blue. Backup camera, side cameras. It's got a one-piece windshield. It's got a Ford V10 with 16,000 miles. Gas electric 10-gallon water heater. All frameless windows, very dark tinting. Let's go inside. Batteries here at the entry step, battery cutoff. Nice theater chairs. Entertainment center with electric fireplace furnace. There's your cockpit. Automatic leveling system. Real Corian counters. Got vinyl day and night shades. Whirlpool convection oven, Frigidaire full-size refrigerator, here's our half bathroom, space for the washer dryer. It's just an empty closet right now. You could have a stacked washer dryer instead of a combo unit. You've got a, looks to be a queen bed. Lots of storage. Here's our rear master bath. Skylighted shower with the stool. Lots of leg space. Give me a call anytime. Eric D. Shane at Camperland, 918-504-7727. Thank you.